I can't believe it. I've completely run out of Buff Dude's recipe ideas.
Open your mind. Open your mind. Open your mind. Open your mind.
Buff Baby's right. I'm gonna have to draw on our years of recipe making experience to make the greatest Buff Dude's protein snack of all time. It's gonna have to be healthy. It's gonna have to be delicious. It's gonna have to have a hefty dose of muscles and just a dash of explosion for good measure. We're gonna be making the Buff Dude's protein cheesecake.
You're going to need whey protein, fat-free cream cheese, fat-free Greek yogurt, eggs, 1% milk, stevia powder, vanilla extract, salt. You're going to want to begin by preheating your oven to 325 degrees. Grab a blender and begin putting your ingredients in one by one. 12 ounces of fat-free cream cheese, 3/4 cups of stevia, 2 eggs, 1 heaping cup or 10 ounces of fat-free Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup of 1% milk, 1½ scoops or 50 grams of protein. We use cheesecake flavor, but you can feel free to use vanilla, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a few dashes of salt for good measure. Go ahead and stir all your ingredients well together so that they'll blend properly, and then begin blending. It's very important you grab a 6-inch by 2-inch deep pan in order for the recipe to cook properly. Go ahead and cover that with parchment paper so that the cheesecake doesn't stick. Stick it in the oven at 325 for 30 minutes. Next, drop it down to 200 degrees for 1 hour. Once you're finished with that, go ahead and set it on the counter and let it cool for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then, cover and put in your fridge overnight. It's time to take that bad boy out, uncover it, and give it a bite. Buff Dude's protein cheesecake. It's amazing.
Wow. You weren't kidding, this is amazing. All I had to do was open my mind.
Now it's time for you to start the reactor.
What?
Start the reactor.
What have I created?